Welcome to 7th class mathematics integers, properties of integers and exercise 5 part 4. Shall we start today's class? In previous class means 6th class you have already learned the properties of whole numbers. Here we will learn the properties of integers. Okay children, that is today we will learn properties of integer under addition and under subtraction. Properties of integers under addition. Those are closure property, commutative property, associative property, additive identity and additive inverse. These are 5 properties of integers under addition. Now shall we learn the first property, closure property under addition. Observe the following table. Here the first example is 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. 5 and 2 both are the integers, positive integers. When we are adding these two, we are getting the sum is 7. 7 is also an integer. So going to the next one, minus 6 plus 3. Minus 6 is negative integer, 3 is positive integer. Sum of these two is equals to minus 6 plus 3. Both are the opposite signs. So find the difference. 6 minus 3 is 3. Biggest number is 7. 7 having minus. So answer is also minus. So that is minus 3. It is also an integer. Like that in other two examples also we are getting the integer only. So from these all examples we conclude that the sum of two integers always an integers. So such like this property is called as addition. The formula for this closure property is for any two integers a and b, a plus b is also an integer. Now going to the second one, commutative property under addition. Observe the following table. Here first example 4 plus 3. 4 and 3 are integer. 4 plus 3 is equals to 7 is also an integer. Now exchanging their order places. 3 plus 4 is equals to again 7. So the conclusion is 4 plus 3 is 7 and 3 plus 4 is also 7. Observe the remaining 3 examples, you will get the same result when we are changing their order. Okay, from this table we find that any pair of integers for which the sum is same when the order is changed. Therefore, this property is called as commutative property under addition. In general, for any two integers a and b, a plus b is equals to b plus c. So, this is the formula for commutative property. Third one, associative property under addition. Let us see this example. Here, I am taking 3 integers 2, 3, 4. Now, 2 plus 3 is 5. The remaining is plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. This is one side. And take the other side. 2 plus of 3 plus 4. Take the same examples 2, 3, 4 but changing their brackets. Then we are getting 2 right as it is plus 3 plus 4 is 7. 2 plus 7 is finally we are getting 9. Observe LHS is 9. RHS is also 9. So see this next example. Here also we are changing their brackets but we are getting the same answer 6 and 6. So from this example, in each case we will get the same answer on both the sides. Therefore integer follows associative property under addition. The formula is for any 3 integers a, b and c, we are getting a plus b plus c is equals to a plus of b plus c. Fourth one is additive identity. That is, observe this, 2 plus 0 is equals to 2 and changing their places, 0 plus 2 is also 2 and 8 plus 0 is equals to 8, 0 plus 8 is equals to 8. Same like on adding 0 to any integer. Adding 0 to any integer, we have to get the same integer. So this property is called as additive identity. Here 0 is the additive identity for integers. In general, for any integer a plus 0 is equals to 0 plus a is equals to a. So a ki 0 ni add chesina, 0 ki a ni add chesina, manaku a integer a ne vastundi. Next, fifth one, additive inverse. Study the following. 3 plus of minus 3 is equals 0. Observe, we are getting the result is 0. How to get the result 0? We are adding the negative integer of the positive. Next, minus 7 is negative integer, adding the positive integer, then we are getting 0. So 1 is positive, plus of minus 1 is negative. So 1 is positive integer, then adding the another one is negative. So finally we are getting the result is 0. So in each pair given above, one integer is called the additive inverse of the other integer. So one is positive integer and adding the other one is negative integer, or one is negative integer adding the positive integer, then we are getting the result is 0. Here for any integer a, there exists an integer minus a such that a plus of minus a is 0. Both are both are the integers are called additive inverse of each other. Okay children, now going to the next concept, that is under integers under multiplication. So first one is closure property, associative property, commutative property, distributive property, multiplicative identity, multiplication by 0. Now going to the first one, that is closure property. Study the following table. 3 4s are 12. Here 3 and 4 are the integers. 12 is also an integer. 6 zeros are 0. 6 and 0 are the integers. 0 is also integer. Similarly, remaining two examples also. So in this table we are find out take any two integers and this product is also integer. Such property is called as closure property under multiplication. So here the formula is a and b are any two integers, then a into b is also an integer. Second one, commutative property. Here take 2 and 5 are the integers, multiply these two, we are getting the product is 10. 2 5s are 10. Changing their places, 5 2s are also 10. So here we are getting 2 5s are 10, 5 2s are 10. Similarly, the remaining three examples also we are getting like that only. So here we are finding that multiplication of integer follows commutative property. Means a into b is equals to b into a. Now third one, associative property. Here I am taking three integers, one is 2 3 4. Here I am changing the brackets. Okay, the first one is 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6 into 4, 6 4s are 24. Other side 2 into 3 4s are 12, so 2 12s are 24. So left side also 24, right side also 24 when they changing their brackets. Here the product is same when the order is changed. In general, for any integers a, b, c, here consider for three numbers, one is a, another one is b, another one is for c. Then a into b into c is equals to a into b into c. Distributive property. The distributive property here I am taking three integers, minus 2, 1, 3. Minus 2 plus 1 plus 3 is equals to, separating this all, minus 2 into 1 plus minus 2 into 3. So see the LHS and RHS, minus 2 write as it is, into, in bracket 1 plus 3 is there, 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. And the other side, minus 2 into 1, 2 1s are 2, it has minus, write as it is, plus minus 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6, 2 has minus, so write minus. And again 2 4, 2 4s are 8, minus 2, minus is there, so keep it minus to 8 is equals to minus 2 plus of minus 6. Here also we are getting minus 8. So LHS value and RHS values both are equal, right? So here it says about distributive property, that is a and b and c are three integers, then a into b plus c is equals to a into b plus a into c. Now fifth one is multiplicative identity. To get the same integer we should multiply it for every term 1. 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3. Either negative integers also, minus 4 1s are minus 4, 1 into minus 5, minus 5 1s are minus 5. So observe here, we conclude that multiplying an integer by 1 does not change the integer. Okay, now here 1 is called the multiplicative identity for integers. The formula is a into 1 is equals to 1 into a is equals to a only. And the last one is multiplication by 0. Let us see. 8 zeros are 0. 0 8s are 0. So to get the 0, we should multiply 0 by any integer. Okay. Now, this shows that the product of an integer and 0 is always 0. So, a into 0 is equals to 0 into a is equal to 0 when a is an integer. Now, going to exercise 5. The first question is verify the following. So, here 18 into 7 plus of minus 3 is equals to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. So, verify LHS and RHS values are same or not. For that, take LHS, that is 18 into 7 plus of minus 3. First we can solve the bracket values, that is 7 plus of minus 3. Remove the bracket, we are getting 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. The first number is 18. In between into is there. So do multiply of these two numbers, we are getting 18 folds is 72. This is LHS. And take RHS. Remove the bracket. For that, 18 into 7, 18 7 is a 126 plus 18 into minus 3, 18 3 is a 54, it has minus. 126 minus 54 is 72. Observe LHS and RHS both are the equal. Okay children, second one is example. So this follows distributive property. Now the second question is, for any integer a, what is minus 1 into a equals to? Multiply these two, we are getting the answer. It is very simple. Minus 1 into a, 1 is a, 1 has minus, so answer is also minus. Determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is 5. So to get 5, which number should be multiplied with minus 1? That is obviously in 5 table we are getting 5 ones are 5. So take 5. But answer is positive. So take negative integer. Minus into minus becomes plus. So minus 5 into minus 1 is equals to 5. Now third bit. Find the product using suitable property. The first question is this one. 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. So one property is here, that is distributive property. Observe this distributive property. A into B plus A into C is equals to A into B plus C. Here what is the common number? That is minus 48. So take down and write the common number outside, that is minus 48, write outside and write the remaining values in brackets, that is 26 plus of minus 36. Remove the brackets, we are getting minus 48 into 26 plus and minus, it becomes minus 36. So 26 minus 36, we are getting minus 10. Now multiply minus 48 and minus 10. 48 tens are 480. Then finally we are getting the answer should be 480. Okay children, do the remaining all problems in this bit. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye.